How's it going there, YouTube? This is Gallery of Cards. I got a box of 2016 Classics football, one autograph per box, and one memorabilia card per box. It's football, obviously. You look for Canton Collection autographs, Relic Classic NFL Moments on-card autographs. Um, got all sorts of good stuff in this box. Just a recap from a box break that I did on 2017 Classic Football. I did this with my son, and here's some of the hits that we got in that box. Got a gold Sammy Watkins, gold Donald Driver, gold Carson Palmer, another Sammy Watkins gold, Bobby Greasy gold, Don Maynard gold, I don't know what this is, like a portrait or something like that of Antonio Brown. It's got a greenback. Same thing with Adrian Peterson. He looks different from the base card. I got a 49 out of 50 Eddie George. 49 out of 50. I got a 100 out of 299 Donta Hightower from the Patriots. Numbered 98 out of 299 Brad Kea. I think he plays QB for the Lions. Or Colts. I think he went to the Colts. Archie Manning, 171 of 299. Pretty cool card. Got the red backs for the numbered. Some of them have no back. Jordan Lewis, rookie card, 181 of 299. Red back. I got a Sidney Jones autograph. Gold. It's numbered 35 out of 49. I'll be selling this on my eBay account. Cool Sidney Jones card. Would have done good, I think, if he didn't blow out his knee. And then we got a Hall of Fame Eric Dickerson, 83 out of 299. Classics Collection, Canton. Jersey card. Very cool looking card. Okay, that's what I got in my 2017 box that I opened up before this one. I don't have that. I didn't do a video on that. And just to let everybody know, I did 2 box breaks giveaways for my first 100 subscribers. I'm going to be giving this away randomly to people. Whoever subscribes, I'll just put you, I don't know if I can just go to random.org and see, but I got 150 points, Panini Rewards, a dual auto numbered to 16 of 25 of Mark Gastineau and Joe Klecko. Blake Bell autograph, numbered to 299. Le'Veon Bell Classics Materials, 123 of 299. Paul Hornung, numbered to 299. Tom Brady, which I missed in one of my box breaks, numbered to 299, 90 of 299. 131 of 299. Corey Clement rookie card. Jerome Bettis, 40 of 50 with no back. It's got the blank back on it, which is pretty cool because Pittsburgh's my favorite team anyways. So, and then I got a Richard Sherman, Matt Ryan. These are like pennants from 2015 football. I got Phillip Rivers to 199. It looks like 92 to 199. Des Bryant, Larry Fitzgerald, touchdown tandems, Odell Beckham Jr. and Eli Manning, Brett Favre, TJ Yeldon, Amir Abdullah. I got like a foil card, like a chrome card almost, of Ben Roethlisberger from the playoff ticket, 167 of 199. It's a really cool card, another Steeler. MVP Contenders, Andrew Luck. Not numbered, but it's a pretty cool card. Like I said, I'll be giving these all the hits that I did in those first 2 box breaks that I did away randomly. Let's get into this box. Let's see what we got in here. 2016 football, 1 auto, and 1 memorabilia card on average. These I'm not giving away. I'm just Doing a box break today. They were super hard to open of the 2017. I had trouble, so hopefully these are a little easier than last time. Nope, does not look like it's going to be. So we have to go old school. Okay, oh, these are pretty cool too. Rams, Kenny Britt, Stephon Diggs, Adrian Peterson. I gotta make sure I don't see any numbers on them because last time I missed a bunch of numbered cards. Got Frank Gore. What's this? Classic Rod Woodson. Great card. I love the Steelers. Not numbered, just a cool card. These look like the old tops almost. That's why I like these cards. I know they're not high end. Next level, Peyton Manning. Oh, cool. It's got his Tennessee. It's pretty cool cards. I like these cards. Nothing crazy, just a rookie card of Thomas Duarte. Never heard of him. Robert Brooks, Fred Biletnikoff, and Bob Whitley. Pack. About another dual autograph. I'll take that, right? Or Zeke. How about Zeke and Dak? That'd be a cool one to get. Antonio Andrews. Devonta Freeman. Got Travis Benjamin. Deshaun Jackson. Ooh, what is this? Oh, looks like a redemption. Rookie signature Shaq Lawson. Panini Classics. So I'll be selling that if there's any Buffalo Bills fans. I'm from Buffalo, so I'm sure a bunch of people here wouldn't mind this card. DeForest Buckner rookie card, glossy. I don't know if it's numbered. I don't see any numbering on it. No, cool. Trey Moore, Steve Largent, Lenny Moore, and Forrest Gregg. So that's already my hit, looks like. My autograph. Should have a jersey somewhere in here. Man, these packs are brutal. Move it over a little bit. Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay. Carlos Hyde, Jameis Winston, DeMarcus Murray, Kamar Aiken, LaDainian Tomlinson, Legends, glossy, Latavius Murray, glossy card. Those are cool. Austin Hooper, Atlanta Falcons, Ickey Woods, Dermontti Dawson, Jim Plunkett. I don't know if these are the numbered cards are like the 2017. It's my first time opening 2016. I'm just getting back into card opening from my son. My son was all excited about opening cards, so I started getting back into it again. That's a cool one. Brady and Kurt Warner. That's pretty cool. Cool card. Old school look to it. Huh. It's pretty sweet. A decoy. Brett Favre, upside down. Demarcus Robinson. Kellen Winslow Legends. Brian Urlacher Legends. Dan Hampton Legends. Man, these are really cool. These are really cool cards. I like them. I think I paid $41 for this box at my local hobby store, Dave and Adams. Josh Norman. Timeless Tributes. Oh, they do have numbered cards. 84 of 99 Timeless Legends. Kurt Warner. It's pretty cool. It's a sweet card. Next level. LT. Lawrence Taylor. Josh Ferguson. Jerry Rice. Curtis Martin. And Warren Moon Legends. Yeah, for 40 bucks, you can't really go wrong. I got that dual autograph of Gastineau and Klecko. Sidney Jones and now the Shaq Lawson. I should. Jeez, man. The only problem is opening the pack. Aaron Rodgers. Jordan Matthews. Colin Kaepernick. Arian Foster. Another classic clashes. Josh Norman. Odell Beckham Jr. Glossy rookie card Daniel Lasco. Rookie card of Braxton Miller. Raymond Berry. Bob Greasy. James Lofton. Oh my goodness, these are brutal. Rob Gronkowski. I'll move the camera a little bit. There we go. Tom Brady. Gronk and Brady are back to back. Ryan Tannehill. Julio Jones. Oh, that's a sweet patch card. Sweet patch. Peyton Manning, 82 of 99. We selling that. It's really cool. Peyton Manning. Sunday Stars swatches. Very cool card. Nice card. Little dinged on the top corner there. But still a pretty sweet card. Mike Evans, glossy. Dak Prescott, rookie. That's pretty cool. LaDainian Tomlinson Legends. Kurt Warner regular Legends. Michael Irvin Legends. So it looks like I got my 2 hits already. Oh goodness gracious. Thumbs are going to be shot by the end of this. Ronnie Hillman, Isaiah Crowell, Jay Cutler, Brian Hoyer. Classic Moments, Herman Edwards. It's like a glossy card. Very cool. Cool card. Leonte Carew. Daniel Lasco again. Rookie card. Marcus Allen Legends. Sonny Jurgensen Legends. Chris Collinsworth Legends. This one feels bad actually. Could be a decoy, probably. I doubt I'll get another hit. Yeah, it's like a decoy. But you never know. Jeremy Maclin. Eddie Lacy. Tyrod Taylor. Blake Bortles. Future Legends. Carson Wentz. Right? Yeah, Carson Wentz. That's awesome. Future Legends. Carson Wentz. Wow, that's pretty cool. Cool card. Yep, it was just a decoy. Isaiah Crowell. Rookie card of Scobie Wright. Dan Marino Legends. Dwight Clark Legends. Warren Sapp Legends. I'm not even putting man, these open up all weird. T.Y. Hilton, Delaney Walker, Sam Watkins, Odell Beckham, Alex Smith, Monday Night Heroes. It's a cool looking card. Corey Coleman rookie card. Browns. John Elway Legends, Joe Montana Legends, Andre Reed Legends. 4 packs left. Dez Bryant, Derek Carr, Marshawn Lynch, Calvin Johnson. Team Tributes, Denver Broncos, Manning, Demaryius Thomas, Von Miller, and Emmanuel Sanders. Very cool looking card. Warren Moon Legends, DeForest Buckner, rookie card, Tony Dorsett, Antonio Freeman, Champ Bailey. Like I said, for 40 bucks, you can't really go wrong here. It's a pretty cool set for 40 bucks. Sorry, I'm just moving the camera. It keeps falling on me. Come on, baby. You can do this. Maybe. There you go. Demaryius Thomas, Alshon Jeffrey, Alfred Morris, Keenan Allen, Dwight Clark Classic Moments, Redback, LaDainian Tomlinson, 28 rushing touchdowns, record breakers, Devontae Booker rookie, Aeneas Williams legend, Bruce Smith rookie, legends, Marshall Faulk legends. Hopefully they felt free to throw in another auto for me or something. That'd be cool. Rashad Jennings, Richard Sherman, Alex Smith, Matt Forte, Kurt Warner Glossy, Monday Night Heroes, Andrew Billings rookie card, Mike Ditka, Michael Strahan, Carl Eller. Last pack. Oh, yeah. That was so brutal getting these things open. Julian Edelman. Sorry, off camera there. Julian Edelman, Jonathan Stewart, Cam Newton, Drew Brees. Team Tributes, Carson Palmer, Larry Fitzgerald, John Brown, and Patrick Peterson. And you got a Bruce Smith, 200 sacks, record breakers. Shalik Calhoun rookie. Darrell Green Legends, Rod Smith Legends, Ted Hendricks Legends. That's it. So recap the big hits in this box. Carson Wentz, Future Legends, Peyton Manning, jersey card, 82 of 99, and a Shaq Lawson redemption card, rookie significant signatures. And that should do it. Remember to subscribe for the random cards that I'm going to be giving out. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.